Now, the alleged nephew to the president of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, strikes again. Now, there's a company called the Alo Construction and Supply, which belongs to Hangwani Maumela. And this company bid for a 1 billion rand tender to provide food for 17 hospitals and clinics in the Northwest province. Just when you thought ukuthi the 2.3 billion corruption scandal at Tembisa Hospital was the end of it, there's another one worth 1 billion. Now, this is what happened. December last year, the Northwest Health Department advertised a tender worth 1 billion to provide food to 17 hospitals and clinics in the Northwest. Then fast forward, there was another company called Eastern's Food JV, which also put up a bid for that tender. And then that company was likely to be awarded the tender Lena when they compared it to a company like Maumela. And now Alo Construction and Supply, which belongs to Maumela, in the month of May, it launched an interdict application to the Northwest High Court to prevent the implementation of the tender to be awarded to Eastern's Food JV. But the following month, which was June 2025, the tender was then awarded to the Stearns Food JV. Now, as the tender was awarded to Stearns Food JV, it was later discovered ukuthi company yaka Hangwani Maumela, which is the Alo Construction and Supply, allegedly submitted fake certificates to secure that specific tender. Now, the Special Investigating Unit, which is the SIU, found out that the Alo Construction and Supply submitted forged BEE certificates to secure a tender worth 1 billion for providing food to 17 hospitals and clinics in the Northwest. And we all know ukuthi the SIU also links uMaumela to the 2.3 billion corruption scandal that took place at Tembisa. And fortunately for this 1 billion rand food tender, it was awarded to Eastern's Food JV to supply 17 hospitals and clinics in the Northwest area with food. And what's even more crazy, ukuthi uHangwani Maumela, it is said ukuthi he was arrested just last month. But till to this date, the media has no picture of uHangwani Maumela. You'll never find a picture of him anywhere. And then also, when you do a research about a follow-up yale case abambophele yona, there's nothing you will find on the internet. Then you ask yourself ukuthi, did the arrest vele happen? What do you think? And also, mangabe you wanna support the channel, please just click on subscribe, or you can go into my bio and then you can click where it says buy me coffee, and then you can do a donation towards the channel. I truly appreciate your support and love. This is the Conscious Pet. It's a 2-in-1 gentle shampoo plus conditioner. It is enriched with the aloe vera and avocado oil that is good for your dog's coat. It leaves your dog's coat soft, shiny, and tangle-free. It's also vegan friendly, and it's very good to dogs with sensitive skin. So get yourself this pH balanced bottle just for $150. And also, if you just want to support through advertising on this platform, please do send me a DM. I'll send you a rate card here to Ogamanje. We're currently running a special, and then we can discuss with you on which package would work better for you. Send me a DM, and then we'll take it from there. Thank you.